Hey guys, this is Mr. Roxy coming at you from Palm Beach in Florida. It is Monday. It is May the 10th. It is D-Day. It is the day that Occidental reported its first quarter results for 2021. So let's dive in and sort of see what it looks like. So let me share my screen here, and I'll just pull up one of these websites for us and just take a quick look here and see what happened with Occidental today when it reported approximately 45 minutes ago. So I just went into the site that came up my plain view, Occidental Q1 earnings snapshot. Houston, Occidental Petroleum, Houston, we have a problem. Let's see. Occidental Petroleum on Monday reported a loss of $146 million for the first quarter. That doesn't look too bad. On a per share basis, the Houston-based company said it had lost 36 cents per share. Losses adjusted for one-time gains and costs were 15 cents per share. Losses adjusted for one-time gains and costs were 15 cents per share. The results topped Wall Street's expectations, analysts. The average estimates of 9 analysts surveyed by Zacks Investment Research was a loss of 33 cents per share. Nice job, Oxy. The oil and gas exploration and production company posted revenue of $5.48 billion for the period, also surpassing the street's forecast. 4 analysts surveyed by Zacks had expected $4.92 billion. Hey, you know what? The majority of the people who watch this particular channel are smarter than me, and quite a few of you had actually predicted that Oxy was going to exceed revenue of $5 billion for the quarter. I remember one of those guys who was like first to the post in terms of predicting Oxy's revenue at over $5 billion was Dr. Yeti Zhang. So Yeti, good job. You got it right. Occidental shares have risen 54% since the beginning of the year, while the S&P 500 index has climbed 12%. I think we all know that. In the final minutes of trading on Monday, the shares hit $26.63. You know, Monday's trading was kind of interesting because it opened the day $27.60 or something like that. Briefly went over $28. I think it was $28.03 by about 9:30 or so this morning. So about 30 minutes after the market opened, Oxy had gone up a bit, and then it tanked all the way down to 26.63 at the close. So it'll be interesting to see sort of what happens with Oxy tomorrow when the sort of regular trading resumes. I just want to take a quick peek here since we're in the Oxy. Let me see, where are we now? So if I go to Occidental, so let me just go here. So I can't even spell Occidental. Hey, Mr. Oxy, you can't even spell Occidental. Yeah, you're right. I can't even spell Occidental. Let's just see what's going on here for a second. So quarterly earnings. You got to look at the financials really, because the meat on the bone is in the footnotes and stuff like that. But you also need to take a look at the or listen to the conference call, because during the conference call where you get the first-hand information from the executive team. That's sort of the interesting part. $1.6 billion in free cash flow for the quarter. It's pretty good, huh? I think Oxy exceeds $6 billion in free cash flow for the year quite easily, which is, obviously sort of about $1.5 billion times 4 for the 4 quarters. $500 million balance sheet improvement, debt reduction, cash preservation. That's pretty good. You know what? We're going to go into this tomorrow when we listen to the conference call. So I'm not going to dwell on this. I'm kind of just looking for some highlights here, or lowlights, depending on which side of the fence you're on. Here we go. Adjusted earnings per share, 15 cents. The 15-cent loss. Reported diluted earnings per share, 36. Cash flow from before working capital, 2.1 billion. Nice job, Oxy. This is pretty good stuff. OxyChem is a free cash flow generating powerhouse, man. This thing is good. I think they're guiding for about $1 billion for 2021 full year, I think. onshore assets. Okay, we'll go into this one tomorrow with the boss lady. You know, when Vicky's on the call, she's going to talk to us about some of these, and you can kind of proverbially sort of read between the lines, even though you're kind of listening between the lines, right? So the 2.9 capital program by asset, the capex plan, they're holding to that, holding the executives' feet to the fire. You know, most of them get paid. Certainly, the executive team get compensated in stock if the stock performs well. So there's upside there. This is not news for us. We know that for every dollar, approximately in the change of WTI, it's about $200 million per year in revenue. We're basing. So yeah, let me stop the share on that one and kind of wrap this video up here. So good news for Occidental investors. Hey, you know what? It's a good day. It's a good turnaround. It's not perfect. You know, at the end of the day, we want to see positive EPS. That's important to us. We want to see good, strong cash flow. That's happening. So that's good for us. And obviously, at the end of the day, we want to see a good recovery in the stock price. And we're heading in the right direction in that regard. Regardless of the fact that there's a little that there was a bit of a downtrend today in the stock price, it's okay. You know, just stick with me here. It's going to be good. We just need to be patient for a little while longer. And that way we can all make a little bit of money on our long holdings in Occidental Petroleum. So on that note, this is Mr. Roxy, smiling, happy Mr. Roxy, saying thanks for watching, stay away from COVID, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.